You guys know you want to see the Cybertruck. You know this thing's pretty sweet. Pretty. Look at it, it's got one big windshield wiper. Thing's pretty sweet. Such a unique design. It's right across the courthouse right now if you want to see it. It's actually, there's a rally going on right now. It's across at the courthouse right now. It's a pretty sweet vehicle. I just figured I'd give you guys a little tour of it. Definitely unique for sure. I don't know if I like it or not like it. It's different. I try to look at it, but it's pretty cool. It's just different. But it's come check it out. It's unique for sure. It's definitely different, isn't it?
Yeah,
I don't know if I like it or not like it. It's different.
No, it's weird. I just saw like
It's
a
eye-catching.
video about this car.
Oh yeah.
I'm checking
Yeah, they're definitely different. I don't know.
Yeah, I just
It's unique for sure.
I just
I don't know if I
saw
like it or don't like it.
I feel like it was like very futuristic. Very
Interesting. Yeah, that's the word. It's interesting and different.
Foundation. That's
I heard that if you damage them, the body's not easy to fix. So definitely, I don't know. I like the back of it though. It's pretty cool. It's
Yeah, I just saw a video. That's why
I don't know. It's not ugly, I guess. It's just different. I don't think it's ugly. It's pretty unique. Look at the shape of that. Look at the window. I mean, can you go wrong with a window that big? I guarantee it's expensive to replace. I mean, look at that windshield wiper. Guarantee that windshield wiper is expensive. You ain't getting that at Walmart. It's pretty cool though. I like it. Come check it out at 111 Michigan, right across the Saginaw County Courthouse. Come check it out for yourself. It's definitely unique for sure. Yeah, it's I don't know. It's hard. It's a vehicle that I could say I don't even have words for, honestly. And it's not bad or good. It's like a question mark. It's the only vehicle I could say I've ever say is different. And I've driven some pretty cool cars. I've driven some Lamborghinis before. If you guys want, I'll post a picture me driving a Lamborghini if you guys want. Lamborghinis are definitely they're the most uncomfortable cars you could ever drive. For a $500,000 vehicle, they're honestly so uncomfortable. The Corvette is way more comfortable than a Lamborghini. The Lamborghinis are they're so compact and tight. They honestly, I don't know how people could ever buy one. They definitely were the worst vehicle I ever had driven before ever. If you guys want, I'll post a video of me in one. Let's do a vote on it. The community says what happens. pretty cool car though. It's definitely unique for sure. Yeah, I heard that if you crash these, pretty much you can't really repair them because of what they're made out of. I've heard that, but I don't know personally. I don't know, it's such a crazy design, and the windshield on it is just massive. I mean, look at the windshield wiper alone. The windshield wiper is probably about 3 feet long. Yeah, whatever you do, don't buy a Lamborghini. They're honestly the worst, uncomfortablest vehicle to ever drive. The Corvette was pretty nice. I like the Corvette. That was actually pretty fun. But you couldn't own them type of vehicles in Michigan. Well, at least in Saginaw, because the roads are so horrible. You would mess up your car because they're so low to the ground. I wonder if this thing works good, really good off-road. That's what I was curious about. I mean, if this thing comes at you, I mean, it's kind of unique though. I don't know. It's definitely pretty cool. It's got a big screen on it. It's got like the size. It's like a 20-some inch screen. Oh yeah, you would definitely mess up your car if you had a Lamborghini around here. I think we're getting to the age of we're getting to the age of technology where there could be flying cars. I mean, it's probably a ways away, probably 10, 20 years, but just could you imagine just having flying cars? Like, I don't know. It's a Cybertruck. Cybertruck. No. Follow me on Facebook, Breaking News 989. No, it's not a Jimmy John's employee driving this. I mean, it could be though. But yeah, definitely. I might post it on my story. I'm not going to post it on a post, so watch my story. I might post that video since y'all voted. But, yeah, I love that movie, The Jetsons. So, yeah, you can see they're doing this. They're setting up for this rally over here, right on the courthouse lawn. I have actually, I want to do a rally myself, so I'm going to post some information about a rally I would like to organize. So have a good one, everybody.